everyone, let's open your DIGIMATH 2, page 30 and 31. Are you ready? Okay, hurry up everyone. 10 seconds for you. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good team number 3. 2 stars. Now, 3, 2, 1. Sit nicely. Look at the board, please. Firstly, read and write. Now, you read the text and solve the word problem. Okay, so now let's have a closer look at this word problem. This is Louis, and how many candies does he have? 16 candies, right? Now, he wants to share these candies equally among how many friends? 2 friends. Can you see number 2 here? Now, one more time. Can you read equally? Equally. And how many friends does he have? 2 friends. The question is, how many candies does each friend have? So each, what does it mean? It means 1, right? So we will do a division, right? 2 minutes for you to do this word problem. Have you finished? Alright, so anyone can read the division for me. You please. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 what? 8 apples. No? 8 candies. Alright. Good. 8, right? So, each friend has 8 candies. 20 seconds for you to check the answer. Have you finished? Good. Now, the whole class, let's read one more time. Each friend has 8 candies. Okay, now one more time. Equally. Each. Good. Now, go on with listening section. You listen to a division and then fill the blank. You can write a number or a word if you want. What number divided by 2 equals what? Okay. So now, listen carefully.
Listen to a pupil talking about these divisions.
Okay, so number 1, we will do it as an example.
About these divisions. Fill in the blanks to complete the statements. Number 1.
6 divided by 2 equals 3.
So the whole class, can you repeat? Can you hear? 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So you write 6 here. You can write a number or a word. And 3. Okay, so are you ready for question number 2, 3, and 4? Alright, go on. Listen again.
Talking about these divisions. Fill in the blanks to complete the statements. Number 1.
6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Number 2.
2.
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
Number 3.
12 divided by 2 equals 6.
Number 4.
18 divided by 2 equals 9.
Okay, so have you finished, everyone?
This
Yes.
is the end of the audio.
Now, You have 30 seconds to exchange your answers with your partner. Now face to face, please. Okay, exchange your workbook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the desk. Good. Now, be ready to listen for the second time.
Listen to a pupil talking about Number 1.
Number 1.
6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Number 2.
Number 2.
8 divided by 2 equals
Number 2.
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
So can you repeat? Who can repeat? You please. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So, okay, so you write the number. Can you do the rest? Alright, so now, go on with speaking section. Student A, you ask, and student B, you answer. A. What is 10 divided by 2? And student B. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, so who can come here to do an example? So you please, and you please, two of you. Okay, who will be student A? You. So you ask. You answer. You. What is 12 divided by 2? You. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Very good. 1 star for both of you. Come back to your seat. Thank you. Everyone, 3 minutes for you to work in pairs. 1 asked and 1 answers. 3 minutes start now. Okay, time's up. Can I invite 2 pairs to come here? So you and you, please. 1 ask and 1 answer. Thank you. Come back to your seat. That's the end of our workbook today. Thank you, students. You have done a great job. So, students, this is the end of our video today. You have done a great job. So, don't forget to finish all questions in your book and practice more on our ITO system. Now, before saying goodbye, it's time for you to check the key for all exercises and note down our vocabulary today. I hope that you will get lots of correct answers. Have fun learning English with iSmart and goodbye!